बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल HVAC ऑफिशियल। हमारे ऑफिशियल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। HVAC इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पार्ट 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। डैश इज़ a heart of vapor compression system? A. Compressor, B. Evaporator, C. Condenser. Answer is A. Question number 2. Condenser is used to dash in refrigeration system. A. Increase pressure of refrigerant, B. Remove the heat of refrigerant, C. Increase the temperature of refrigerant. Answer is B. Question number 3. Dash control the flow of refrigerant to evaporator. A. Expansion valve, B. Accumulator, C. Evaporator. Answer is A. Question number 4. There are dash type of condenser. A. 4, B. 3, C. 2. Answer is B. Question number 5. Capillary tube is used an expansion device in A. Refrigerator, B. Water cooler, C. Both. Answer is C. Question number 6. Lithium bromide is used as a in vapor absorption machine. A. Absorbent, B. Refrigerant, C. Both. Answer is A. Question number 7. Expansion device is connected between dash. A. Compressor to condenser, B. Condenser to receiver, C. Receiver to evaporator. Answer is C. Question number 8. Condenser coil is made of dash material in domestic air conditioner. A. Copper, B. Aluminium, C. Both. Answer is C. Both. Question number 9. What is unit of refrigeration in MKS system? A. BTU per hour, B. kilocalorie per hour, C. kilojoule per hour. Answer is C. Question number 10. Which refrigerant has lowest freezing point? A. R22, B. R12, C. ammonia. Answer is A. R22. हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल HVAC ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग HVAC ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल।